My name's Philip Gibbs. I am 34, and I live here in Bridgeport, Michigan. I remember meeting Amanda on a Saturday afternoon. We were married 4.5 years. 4.5 years. I did propose in the driveway. It was a weird situation, but we were both happy. I was on a charity route, a bus route, and she had came home and went into labor. She was in the hospital. First thing I think of, the expression on my wife's face as soon as she heard the baby cry. The tear come off her left eye, and I asked her if she was okay, and she says, absolutely. Her name is Sydney Joy Gibbs. She's 3 years old, and she is my delight. It was, I believe, 2012, and it was 2 days before Thanksgiving. We needed things at the grocery store, just trying to get prepared for the holiday. The accident itself, I have no recollection. I remember the person who stopped and dialed 911. I asked him, how was my wife? And then that's all I remember.
Tonight we're learning more about the local woman involved and ultimately killed in a bizarre car deer accident. 35-year-old Amanda Gibbs died when another driver hit the deer, but that sent it flying into her vehicle. And tonight the victim's husband is also fighting for his life.
It was a deer over 300 pounds. It was a 13-point animal, and it hit off my sidebar of the car and wrapped into the front windshield and went through the back windshield and hit another car. She was taken, but she didn't suffer. It was an instantaneous thing, and I have that to lean on. I was in a diagnosed coma for almost 3 months. They didn't want me to feel pain. Injury sustained as reconstructive surgery to my face. I had a broken jaw. My eye exploded. They transferred me to RIM 6 weeks after I left DMC. RIM helped me, first of all, with proving their trust. I didn't trust anybody. People only trusted was my family. In a way, they showed me that, hey, we're here to help you. We're gonna help you get your speech going again. We're gonna help you get enthusiastic again, give you exercise. This is a place that cares. Special people with a special talent to give and to give back and to help others. There is no shadow of a doubt that I wouldn't be normal if it wasn't for RIM and the doctors at DMC. They have that adrenaline behind their action. That's encouraging to know that there's people out there like that. And I think that's very life-changing.